Hello, Professor. Now we'll try to demonstrate our term project. So the term project name is Air Quality Pollution Detector, and it's based on IoT open source platforms. So our group, next slide please. Our group consists of 6 people, and you can see their names and IDs. So the content of our project is divided into like this. So as you provided us the term project requirements, we did our project according to your requirements. So the content is start from motivation of our project and the digitization process of our digital transformation for intelligent model and end-to-end IoT network architecture, the block diagram of our project, the sensors, optimal platform for IoT devices and connectivity, and so on. So now I will try to introduce you the motivation of our project. As you know, the air quality is in today's the world is becoming very urbanized and industrialized. So the pollution is becoming very important problem in this world. So in order to know about the level of air quality pollution, we try to create the new IoT platform. So as here, air pollution is presence of contaminations or pollutant substances that affect human health, and so also what can you and our motivation is like this. So next slide please. Here the digitization process of our digital transformation model. As you can see, the figure of our digitization process for this model. Next slide. So here it's the end-to-end IoT network architecture. The sensors should be used in our project, and the software, and also the cloud platform that is should be implemented in our project. Next slide. Here it's the block diagram. How the our application will determine the level of air quality. It's shown in like this in this diagram. Next slide. So now my friend Khurshid will talk about the sensors and detectors that should be used in our project.
Okay, in order to sense benzene, alcohol, smoke, and CO2, we use MQ135 detectors, and it gives the output in form of voltage level. So in order to use petrol and gas sensor, we use MQ6 sensors. So we use a GCM model to establish communication between a computer and GCM's systems, and we use Arduino Uno in order to use both bases to digital input and output. And this is the architecture of our processor. So we use it LPC 2148, and we use it LCD display to show to data of the of our system. So Elbek will continue in this section. Elbek, please.
So, as you can see here, optimal platforms for Internet of Things and devices and connectivity. There are several Internet of Things, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They're going to be used in the future in our applications for Android and iOS. And also next one, please. So our open service platform enables the creation of mashup Internet of Things services. In our project, we used the Glue open service platform. It's a mobile-enabled Internet of Things integration platform that allows enterprises to monetize Internet of Things investments by seamlessly gluing disparate things together. And here the things are built on three layers. The one is device layer, service layer, and application layer. Next one, please. So as you can see here, it's a Glue architecture, and this picture clearly can explain you about the Glue architecture. Next one. And so one of the main parts of the project, which tells us how we are going to make profit from it, it's business and service models. So our key partners are going to be advertising companies, local internet providers, and the government. Those people are going to take some advantage from us, and sometimes they will have to pay some amount of money. And also our customer segments are internet users and government sector. They're not going to pay any amount of money, but they will be investing their time into our platforms, and as a result, they will watch some kind of advertisements, and the local companies, the local business owners, are going to pay us for the advertisements. Next one. And so here's the business and server models, Internet of Things service, and existing relation with customer leads to more sales generation, and less cost attracts more customers. As you know, the customer only needs to gain more profit from the product. It means like the profit minus spent money should be positive. And next one. And so in conclusion, the wireless air pollution monitoring system provides real-time information about the level of pollution, as well as providers and alert in case of drastic change in quality of air. This information can then be used by authorities to take prompt actions. By authorities, we mean the government, the business owners, or some people who have some power to change something. And next one. Next slide, please. I think so. Thank you for attention. And now we're going to show you our application on iOS platform.
Can you make Elbek host? Because application is in his.
Make me host. Khurshid. So here's a demonstration of our application. So air quality pollution detector. So this is just the beginning of our application, and we have some plans to build it on Android system, and also on we're also trying to build a website, but this one only runs on iOS operating system, and as you can see, as we are using the emulator, the location of our app is kind of not correct. And so air quality index in Chinatown, California, United States of America is 20. It's not too bad, but it's not good at the same time. Yeah, that's it. And we're going to stop here.